Hi guys, I'm Ashleigh and I am an ambassador for Retykle. I absolutely love this brand. Since moving to Hong Kong, it has been such a lifesaver. Coming from the UK, I am quite familiar with having charity shops and buying pre-loved clothing and things like that, but coming to Hong Kong, it didn't seem as accessible. So finding Retykle has been amazing. I'm a mum of one. Teddy is 15 months old and also pregnant with baby number 2. 33 weeks now. So this box, from what I remember, is actually full of baby girls' clothes, which is very exciting. So I'm actually really looking forward to opening it. As I said, I'm an ambassador for Retykle and it's been an incredible few months getting to know the brand and working alongside them. My absolute favourite thing about this brand is, and they use this as one of their kind of slogans, not only does it benefit your bank balance, because it makes luxury shopping affordable, but also it benefits the environment, and that is one of the main things for me. So I'm just sitting here with my coffee, decaf, and I'm going to open my box. So here we go. Okay, what have we got? Let's see if I can remember. I also just love the packaging. It all gets wrapped and sent like it's literally brand new. Like you'd never know that this is pre-loved. So yeah, they've done a great job with the branding and all of the packaging as well. Oh my goodness, it was a big order. I had totally forgotten about these, but clearly I couldn't resist. So these are the White Company, which I absolutely love. It's a brand that feels kind of close to home for me. These literally look brand new. Slippers are really hard to find. These are 6 to 12 months, so these are obviously going to be for the little girl when she's a little bit older. But how sweet! And honestly, I actually don't think they've been worn. Little bunny slippers! Very excited. I remember ordering lots of little bloomer shorts. It's going to be very, very hot coming into summer here, and if you know Hong Kong, you know that you literally step outside and sweat instantly, so I'm really conscious of keeping her quite cool. So these are Liberty London, which is unreal. I can't remember what the original retail price for these was, but this is quite a classic Liberty print. I actually used to work next to Liberty and absolutely love the shop. It's incredible. If you ever go to London, just go to Liberty and shop in there because it's amazing. But how cute are the little ruffles? Oh, so I can just imagine her like in a little vest with these on. Cute. Great. 2 down and I'm happy. Some more little shorties. So these have actually got the tags in still, which is another great thing about Retykle. Sometimes you can find yourself brand new stuff. These are Velveteen. I've actually never heard of this brand. But these are the Cecily sea creature print. So again, just another cute little pair of shorts. These are 3 months, so she'll grow into these with little ruffles at the back. Okay guys, I went crazy on shorts. Some more little shorties. These are Bouchou. I think it's French, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm really happy with those. Those are really sweet. What size are they? Those are 3 months. They're obviously like a longer short. They actually do look quite big, so maybe she'll grow into those, but those are really sweet. I really like that print. Yeah, happy. What have we got here? Oh, so this is a little set. This is Little Mercury, and this is 3 months as well. If you've had a baby, you know that when they're a newborn, I mean, I don't know if it was just me, but with Teddy, he literally just had onesies, bodysuits on, because they they leak, their nappies leak, they spew on themselves, and it's not worth putting them in nice clothing. So I think I did basically 3 months up, when they're a bit more consistent with the nappy changing, and you can be bothered to change them and they're not as fussy. So this is a really cute little outfit. I actually love this. I can totally imagine her in this. Ah, this is making me so excited. Okay, what else have we got? Oh, so this is like a little romper. Oh, this is really cute. I actually don't know what brand this is. Let me see. Oh, this is White Company too. This is 3 to 6 months. So this is like a faded pink little romper with a loose neck and then a low back with a little bow. So again, great for summer. This one you can sort of see has been a little bit washed, but I mean, the quality is amazing. There's absolutely no stains or anything. And if I didn't know this was pre-loved, I would never even look twice. So yeah, really happy with that little goodie. What else have we got? Oh, these are for Teddy. I did get something for him. So these are Ragmart. I'm clearly very clued up on designer. You can tell I don't shop in these brands at full price. Again, saving my bank balance. So these are just really cute, like loose fitted trousers, and they've got a little check pocket on the back. So Teddy will love these. They're kind of like long shorts, I guess, aren't they? He's quite tall, so these will definitely be kind of, yeah, this is perfect for him at the moment, actually. So yeah, happy with those. Ah, yay, this is exciting. So this is a brand called Baby Mori, and again, these sleep suits are quite pricey for a sleep suit for a baby, considering, you know, it's a baby and they grow out of stuff so quickly. I think they're potentially around £30 for one, which is about 300 Hong Kong dollars. And for me, I just wouldn't spend that much on a sleep suit, basically because of everything I just said. However, this is pre-loved. This is 0 to 3 months, and I mean, you can literally, I don't even know if it's been worn. I actually don't think it's been worn. It's in such good condition. I can see why the prices are higher end, because the fabric is so soft, and you can just tell it's a really good quality. But it's a brand that I've had my eye on for a little while. I have friends that buy this, their clothing for their children. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. That's like a little stripy sleep suit, and it does have feet as well. I prefer when they have feet. I don't know, otherwise you have to put socks on, and yeah, it's just way easier. And what, yes, and this is, I was so happy when I found this. So I was gonna buy one myself anyway, but obviously I was on Retykle and came across it. So this is a Connie baby carrier or sling or whatever you want to call it. So, I mean, if you follow me on Instagram or you know my brand, this is one of my brand colours. I literally am drawn to pale pinks, pastels, nudes. You can probably kind of tell from the background in my flat and how it looks, but I was drawn to this colour. I didn't even know they did this shade of pink. But to give you a bit of background, I had an emergency C-section with Teddy, and I have an ergo baby carrier, so it's quite kind of weighty, and when he was really little, he had colic, so he didn't want to be put down. So it was quite challenging because I was recovering from a C-section, so it was hard to strap the carrier around and have that pressure going down on the scar while it was healing. And also he was so tiny, so I'd put him in there and literally the top of the carrier would be here and his head would be down here, so it didn't really feel that great because I couldn't, they say that you're supposed to be able to kiss the baby's head from the carrier. So I ended up just having to hold him a lot of the time, and I wished I would have had one of these because the baby can be so close to you. These are so comfortable to wear, and this bit, I believe, is what ties around the front or the back to make it tighter or looser. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. I am having a planned C-section this time, so I know that this will 100% come in handy. So yeah, really, I was so happy to find that, and I think that was $100, so it was £10 for this carrier, and they're usually around $500 or £50. So thanks, Retykle. And again, the quality is awesome. I mean, with this you can tell it's a little bit worn, you can tell it's been washed, but there's no kind of stains or marks or anything. So and the reason I say you can tell it's been washed is just because you know when a fabric goes a little bit bumpy in the washing machine, that's why, but otherwise it's as good as new. So I'm really, really pleased with that. Thanks for whoever gave that to Retykle, or sold it to Retykle. I'm really grateful. So that is everything. And honestly, I actually think that's probably my favourite order. I have been ordering from Retykle for probably about 5 or 6 months now. I've lived in Hong Kong for about 1.5 years, so yeah, a good chunk of my time here, and I absolutely love the brand. The team are amazing to work with, and the website itself, it's an e-commerce brand. The website is so user-friendly and really, really easy to use. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope that gives you a bit of an insight into what you could purchase from Retykle and the kind of quality you would get. You can get honestly everything. Obviously I've just gone for clothes, but I have previously purchased parts of a high chair, parts of a stocky high chair. I bought the newborn section for a stocky high chair. They also do things like play mats, buggies, car seats. So there is everything and anything maternity and baby on there that you would ever need, at half the price and while saving the environment. So thank you so much, Retykle, for having me as your ambassador. It has been awesome, and I'll see you soon.